channel. Or to use the 2023 market record to grow your wealth. Description. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the 2023 market record and how you can use it to grow your wealth. As we all know, the financial market is constantly changing and evolving, and keeping up with the latest trends and developments is crucial to achieving financial success. The 2023 market record has shown some remarkable growth in various industries which can be used to your advantage. Firstly, it's essential to understand the sectors that have shown the most growth. For example, the technology industry has seen a significant rise in revenue, and companies that focus on artificial intelligence and virtual reality have seen exponential growth. This information can be used to invest in the stock market, specifically in companies that have demonstrated growth in these sectors. Secondly, another way to use the 2023 market record to your advantage is to look at industries that have been hit hard during the pandemic, but are expected to rebound in the coming years. These sectors could include travel and hospitality, entertainment, and retail. Investing in these industries early on can potentially result in significant returns. Finally, it's crucial to have a long-term investment strategy that takes into account the current market trends and the future outlook. It's important not to get caught up in short-term gains, but instead to focus on building a diversified portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. In conclusion, the 2023 market record presents numerous opportunities for investors to grow their wealth by staying up to date with the latest market trends, identifying sectors with growth potential, and having a long-term investment strategy. You can make the most of this record and achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.